Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view your dividends received on Interactive Brokers. I'll be walking you through this on the web version using Client Portal. First, head to the IBKR website and log in. At the top of the page, you'll see the login menu. Click on Account Management. This takes you to your main account dashboard. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Performance and Reports. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with several reporting options. From that menu, select Statements. The page that loads will show you two panels, Default Statements and Custom Statements. In the Default Statements section, find Activity Statement and click the blue run arrow next to it. A configuration dialog will pop up where you can set your report parameters. You'll need to make 3 selections here. First, choose your period from the drop-down. You can pick daily, monthly, yearly, or custom depending on what time frame you want to review. Next, select the specific date for your report. Finally, choose your preferred format. You can view it as HTML, PDF, or CSV. For example, if you want to see last month's dividends, select monthly for the period, pick the month, and choose HTML to view it in your browser. Once you've made those selections, click Run at the bottom of the dialog. The statement will generate and open in your chosen format. Now you'll need to scroll through the activity statement to find the dividends section. It'll have a clear heading that says Dividends. Keep in mind, if you didn't receive any dividends during the period you selected, this section won't appear in the statement at all. When you find the dividends section, you'll see a table listing all your dividend payments. The table breaks them down by currency, and each currency total is also shown in your base currency. You'll see details like the X date, which is when you needed to own the stock to qualify, the pay date, when the dividend hit your account, the gross amount, any withholding tax that was deducted, and the net amount you actually received. A couple of quick things to note: all dividends in the report are automatically converted to your account's base currency for easy tracking. And remember, the dividends section only shows up if you actually received dividends during that time period. So if you don't see it, that just means no dividends were paid out. And that's how to view your dividends on IBKR. Thanks for watching.